All right, guys. So something crazy is going on right now. What's going on right now?
Y'all bust this fucking door open, shit. I get stuck.
Dead ass. I'm about to break the window open.
Nah, bro,
So
hold on. There's a fucking release over here.
yeah, you gotta pull that, bro. If that don't work, bro, I'm gonna break the.
We'll just wait for.
There we go.
Nah, I'm off, bro. Cause like the smell, bro. It's like, bro, the train's gotta explode, bro. They had us locked in. Everybody's still stuck on the train. Hold up. People stuck on the train, bro. Let's see what they bro. So guys, I was on my way to the mall, right? I was on the train. The train just stopped, and all you could smell was like propane, bro. It smelled like the train was about to like blow up. So right now, I'm still walking to the mall. So guys, quick update. It seems they managed to get the train working again. So, but like still, I'm not riding the train, bro, cause it like smelled like it was about to explode, bro.